oh my god, Bitcoin broke its previous all-time high priced against the euro exactly here. So this gives us the indication, yes, at the moment we're in price discovery mode and we could expect this massive pump towards the upside, but ultimately this gives us the indication that we could expect that we're going to break the previous all-time high priced against the euro in the immediate short term. And yes guys, I'm talking literally today that we're going to see this massive pump towards the upside. But guys, ultimately we could expect a 20% correction, because yes, even though we're in a bull market, we could expect these 20% corrections over time within the bull market. But guys, if we're going to find out where we are at the moment, we are exactly here, just before the Bitcoin halving. And what does it mean, the Bitcoin halving? Guys, this literally means that all the supply that is going to enter the market is going to be reduced by half, because there are only 21 million Bitcoin. And during this Bitcoin halving, guys, in the history we could see that each and every time after the Bitcoin halving, we saw this parabolic run towards the upside all the way to a new all-time high, and that we could expect the cycle top round about in August or October of next year. So yes guys, you're still extremely early to make these massive gains, and if you want to find out more, watch the video until the end, smash up the like button and subscribe, and let's directly go over to the weekly chart of Bitcoin, because yes, we have marked this major resistance levels. And guys, if we go down on the lower time frames, we can see that Bitcoin exactly hit these levels that we've been talking about on Friday, exactly here, where I told you that we could expect this massive breakout from the symmetrical triangle, and we perfectly reached our price target. But guys, take a look how perfectly we bounced off exactly from this resistance line and also this major support exactly here, where the price movement of Bitcoin saw a short rejection exactly here. We came all the way back down to the 23.6, and then we saw this massive pump towards the upside. And yes guys, we nearly reached the next target, which is ultimately going to be the 67k. But yes guys, we could also break the previous all-time high round about the 70,000 US dollar level. But ultimately guys, we need to be careful, because we could expect these 20% corrections over time during a bull market. The history shows us that exactly this is happening. But guys, you can't time the market and you can't exactly find these dips, because yes, it could also be that the price movement of Bitcoin is going to come all the way up to 100k and then see a 20% correction. So ultimately you're going to wait all the way down here to invest into crypto. No, the best strategy is going to be dollar cost average guys, or even trading on the futures market. And if you want to copy all of my trades guys, I have an exclusive Signal group, the B4 Crypto VIP group, and we have opened some awesome trades on Bitcoin, Audi, and a lot of other coins. But I also post all of my spot buys exactly here. So only for 75 US dollars, you can join this exclusive group. But guys, if you want to trade all of these moves, go down in the video description below, where you will find all the links to my partners, where you get a major deposit bonus when trading or even buying Bitcoin on the spot market. But yes, let's go down on the even lower time frames of Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart, and exactly here we can see that Bitcoin is exactly within this major resistance zone. But ultimately guys, I could expect that Bitcoin is going to pump even higher and at least reach the level of 67,000 US dollars, where we're going to see a consolidation. But guys, we really have to be aware that we could expect this 20% dump all the way to the previous resistance. So yes, we're going to zoom out to find out exactly where would this retracement level be if we're going to see a 20% correction from the swing high all the way down. This would be exactly here. It goes even lower to this major resistance exactly here, where we saw this major breakout towards the upside exactly from the levels of 52,000 US dollars. So ultimately guys, we could expect that the price movement comes all the way back down. But yes, you're not going to catch this bottom exactly here, because psychologically you'll think that the price movement goes slower, or this could be just a major fast move towards the downside and all the way back up. So you're not actually going to catch this bottom exactly here. So yes, dollar cost average into Bitcoin is going to be the best opportunity. But guys, should you buy all of these cryptocurrencies exactly now? Yes guys, if you're not holding any cryptocurrencies, I would buy exactly now, because if you look at the history of Bitcoin and the overall crypto market, the major fund is only getting started, and we could expect this major leg towards the upside. And talking about a major leg towards the upside, let's look at the total 3 market cap, which gives us the indication, yes, this is the market cap of all the altcoins excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. And we can see exactly here, I told you, if we're going to see this major breakout exactly from these levels, that we could expect a major altcoin season. And this has already started, because all of the coins that we've been talking about on this channel just in the previous month saw some major profits towards the upside. We're talking about AGIX of 223%, AR around 235%. So if you would have invested in all of these cryptocurrencies just a month ago, below, you would have been in some major profits. You would have easily 2x or even 3x your account, but this is still only the beginning and we could expect a major pump towards the upside. So yes, what are you waiting for? Go down in the video description below and sign up to Bybit exactly now, because the time is really ticking. Because if we go over to Solana, we can see exactly here, I told you to buy Solana round about the levels of $16 and we saw this major pump towards the upside. Yes, you would have been in some major profits if you would have been following my channel. This would have been 550% in profit, guys, and we're going to see a further move towards the upside. But guys, there's still some major coins that could even see a greater pump towards the upside. If we're just going to go over to GRT, guys, you could even expect only from this level where we are at the moment, after this massive pump towards the upside. Remember, I gave you this entry on my channel exactly here. We saw this major pump towards the upside. But guys, if we're going to look at the conservative price targets round about the 61.8 retracement level all the way from the previous all-time high, this will still be some major profits of 450%. But yes, by the end of the bull market, we could reach the 2.618, which would be a new all-time high. And exactly from this entry levels, guys, you would be up 2,200%. So yes, guys, the time is now to invest in cryptocurrencies. So yes, ultimately you're still extremely early and we could expect this major parabolic run or even breaking the previous all-time high sooner than later, because yes, the euro has already broke its previous all-time high and we could expect the same for the US dollars. And ultimately, guys, you're still at the beginning of the cycle, because yes, we perfectly reached our next price target, like I told you in my free Telegram group exactly here, where the price movement was exactly at this retest of this major W, and we saw this perfect breakout exactly reaching our price target, exactly top of this major level, which is round about the 66,000 US dollar level. But guys, we're going to find out what is going to be the next major price target all the way from the swing high all the way to the swing low, and exactly here this would be the next price target, the 1.618 on the Fibonacci retracement level, and we perfectly hit this level. So what is going to be ultimately the next level, round about the 70,700 US dollar level, and guys, this would be the new all-time high for Bitcoin. And yes, maybe then we could see a 20% correction, but let's take a measured move and find out where does it take us if we're going to see first of all this major pump towards the upside and then a 20% correction. This would take us all the way down here. But guys, be prepared that the price movement could come all the way back down and quickly bounce back up, because yes, the hype is real. All the retail investors investing into all of these cryptocurrencies, this major hype is only getting started, the Bitcoin halving and also the spot Bitcoin ETF. So guys, dollar cost average into Bitcoin, because crypto is going nowhere. This is the biggest wealth transfer in history. So smash up the like button, subscribe, activate the bell, and most importantly, be for crypto, and we see each other in the next video.